Good morning, beta. Let's continue with the same chapter that we were doing yesterday. Rational number chapter we were doing. We have discussed the meaning of the rational number, equivalent rational number, standard form of the rational number. Standard form is also known as simplest form, reduced form, standard form, simplest form, reduced form, lowest form, simplest form. This we have discussed. Number line we had already discussed. Now let's start with question number 7 is same. Question number 8 I had already given you for the homework, but let's discuss 1-2 parts for the understanding. Exercise 9.1 question number 8. Minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. You have to put the sign which one is greater or which one is smaller. Now, as you can see that this one is positive. 2 by 3 is positive and another one is minus 5 by 7. Positive number is always greater than the negative number. Obviously, so without any solution, you will just write positive number is always greater than the negative number. So that's it. Now look here, both the numbers are positive, negative. So how you will decide which one is greater and which one is smaller? So we have two ways. First way is to take their LCM to make their denominator same, that you all already knew. But I'm just telling you one more way, another way to decide which one is greater and which one is smaller without taking LCM. So the method is minus 4 is already in the numerator. This 7 is in the denominator. So this 7 will go to minus 4. Minus 5 is already there. Whenever the terms are negative, you will shift that negative sign in the numerator. You will shift that negative sign in the numerator. But it's already in the numerator, so you will proceed directly without any other step. This minus 5 is already there. 5 you will shift to the numerator. 7 will go to the numerator. 5 will go to the numerator. It will become minus 28. This is minus 25. Minus 25 is greater. So that means this number is greater than this. Is it okay? Have you seen this method before, Arshia? Have you done this method earlier also?
मैम हमने LCM निकाल के किया हुआ है.
Okay, so this is the another way. I'm discussing 2-3 more parts, and this method is also applicable in the 6th question, where we have decided that are the rational numbers equivalent. उसमें भी आप ये कर सकते हो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके. अगर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर सेम आता है तो यस दे आर इक्विवेलेंट, और अगर आंसर सेम नहीं आता तो नो दे आर नॉट इक्विवेलेंट. ठीक है, हमने एक और मेथड किया था ना, कटिंग करके किया था, तो आप इससे भी कर सकते हो वो क्वेश्चन. नाउ लेट्स सी 2-3 मोर पार्ट्स. Another part is minus 7 by 8 and next is 14 by minus 16. Now we have again two ways. Firstly, you can make their denominator same. तो आप denominator same भी बना सकते हो कटिंग करके, या LCM लेके भी बना सकते हो. 3 मेथड है. देखो इधर, या तो ये 16 है, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, क्या बन जाएगा? और ये तो ऑलरेडी ये है, तो यस दे आर इक्वल. ठीक है, ये एक तो ये मेथड है, इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. सेकंड मेथड है आपका, सेकंड मेथड, ये 7 by 8 ऑलरेडी सेम है, इसको रहने दो. ऑन द another number you can cancel it out. This is minus 7 by 8. Again they are same, you can put equal sign. First way is to multiply the smaller number. Second way is to divide the second number with any other number, means you can cancel it out. And the third way is to again take their, again you can go for the same method, cross multiplication. This minus you will shift in the numerator. And if you are not shifting this minus sign, that means you are making some mistake. You will not reach at the correct answer. So it's compulsory to shift the minus sign in the numerator first, then you can proceed. So this is this 16, you will bring here minus 14 into 8. What you will get? Can you tell me the answer? क्या आएगा यहाँ से? minus 112. Minus 112. So yes, they are. तो all the methods will give you same answer, but the methods are different. इसमें मल्टीप्लाई किया है छोटे वाले नंबर को, इसमें बड़े नंबर की कटिंग की है, इसमें क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. तो all the three methods I have discussed. Is there any doubt? Anything you want to ask? ठीक है बच्चे, ये जो मल्टीप्लाई किया है ना, ये एक तरह का एलसीएम ही है. ये 16 था, आपने इसको 16 बना दिया. एलसीएम भी तो 16 ही आता है, 8 और 16 का, तो एक ही बात है, ये एलसीएम वाला मेथड ही है. Now see one more part of this question number 8. Minus 8 by 5 minus 7 by 4. Minus is already in the numerator, so I will suggest you always go for the new method so that you can learn new things. 4 will go there, minus 8 into 4, minus 7 into 5 इधर चला जाएगा, 4 भी चला जाएगा, minus 32, 7 5 जा 35. तो ये ग्रेटर है, तो ये ग्रेटर है. Is it okay? Is it okay? Another question, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 4. Cross multiply, 4 इधर चला जाएगा, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus 4. Can you tell me the answer of the sixth part without solving? Answer of the sixth part. Yes, Prabnoor. Drishti. Not getting your voice. Arshia.
Equal.
Equal. What about the seventh part? Drishti, seventh part.
Zero is greater.
0 is greater. 0 is neither positive nor negative, but minus 7 by 6 is negative. So 0 is always greater than minus 7 by 6. Did you know this thing? Whenever the two numbers are there on the number line, so number on the right is always greater than the number on the left. Is it okay? So if two numbers are there on the number line, so number which is lying on the right side is always greater than the number that is lying on the left hand side. Okay. Can you tell me which one is greater between 0 and 2 by 3? Which one is greater between 0 and 2 by 3?
Two by 3.
2 by 3. Because 2 by 3 is lying to the right of 0. So the number which is lying on the right of the another number is always greater than the number on the left. Hope it is clear to you all. Is there any doubt? Okay, now let's start with the question number 9. Still first question is pending that we will discuss after 9th and 10th question. Start question number 9. Which one is greater by cross multiplication method? Yes, Arshia, answer of the first part.
First is 5 over 2 is greater than 2 over 3.
Okay. Yes, Jalash. Second part. Can you tell me answer of the second part?
Minus 4 by 3 is greater.
Minus
4 by 3.
is greater?
Yes.
No. Minus 5 by 6 is greater, beta. Cross multiply करके.
Okay, ma'am.
Look here. Three fives are 15, 6 fours are 24. So obviously minus 15 is greater. So this one is greater. Solve the third part. Firstly, shift the negative sign to the numerator. Shift the negative sign to the numerator. Yes, Jalash?
Ma'am, 3 over 4.
Shift minus to the numerator, beta. Speak again, beta. Minus 2 by 3 is greater than minus 3 by 4. Yes, बेटा बोलो. लक्ष्य बोलो क्या हुआ बेटा? Who will tell me the answer of the next part? Yes, Anmol.
Ma'am, 1/4 is greater.
Yes, positive number is always greater than the negative number. Yes, Anmol. Fifth part. Yes.
Ma'am, next question, minus 3 2 by 7.
Minus 3 2 by 7.
पता नहीं कहाँ से डाउनलोड हो जा रही है अपने आप ही.
Beta, who is this? Mute
Look.
yourself. Now, let's start with the question number 10. In the question number 10, 3 numbers are given. You have to write them in the ascending order. How you will write? Firstly, you will make their denominator same. Then after making their denominator same, you will check the terms in the numerator, and according to that, you will write in the ascending order. You will start from the smallest term to the greatest term. Please start. This you all know how you have to do, because this type of question you are doing from the class 4th, 5th, and you all are very much able to do it. Do it and tell me the first part, hurry up. Is it compulsory to take LCM in the 10th question first part? Can we proceed without taking LCM? Yes, and more?
Yes. Ma'am, because denominator is same.
Yes, exactly, because the denominator, we are taking LCM to make the denominator same, but here the denominator is already same. So no need to take the LCM, because the answer is direct. Minus 3 by 5 is less than. It's important to write the symbol. How you will write it? It's important to put the sign between the numbers. Minus 3 by 5 is less than minus 2 by 5 is less than minus 1. So that's it. Start the next question. In the next question, you have to take the LCM because the denominator is not same. So please take LCM.
1 by 3 greater
Minus 4 by
3.
yes.
Minus 1 by 3 greater than minus 2 by 9.
Minus, according to me, it should be minus 4 by 3, then minus 2 by 9, then 1 by 3. Because positive is greater of all, na? Let's discuss this question. Second part we are doing. Firstly, you will take LCM. Let me write the question. 1 by 3 minus 2 by 9 minus 4 by 3. So take LCM. LCM is 9. So when you divide this LCM 9 with 3, you will get 3. It will be 3. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So 1 multiplied, this is minus 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. That will be minus 12. So your answer will be minus 12 by 9, then minus 2 by 9, then 3 by 9. Please write the original answer. This 4 by 3, minus 2 by 9, then 1 by 3. Is it okay? So this is your answer. When the two terms are there for the comparison, then you can go for the cross multiplication. But if more than two terms are there, then you have to take LCM. Okay. Now let's start with the next question. Next question of this 9th, 10th, third part. I'm starting third part. In this, have you noticed one thing, that the numerator is same? Whenever the numerator is same, you will check the denominator part. So two ways are there. You can make their denominator same by taking LCM, and the second way is to directly write the answer by looking at the denominator. So the term which is having greater numerator, that will be the least. ये सबसे छोटा होगा ना. उसके बाद क्या आएगा, -3/4. इसके बाद क्या आएगा, -3/2. सो दैट विल बी योर आंसर. तो जिस जो न्यूमिनेटर में सब डिनोमिनेटर में सबसे बड़ा है, दैट विल बी द लीस्ट. फिर उसके बाद 4 आ रहा है, ये आएगा, फिर -3/2. ठीक है बेटा. Is it okay? Is it okay? So if you want to go for the LCM method, second method, then you can also go for that method. And the LCM of this will be 28. LCM of these will be 28. When you divide this 28 with 7, 4 minus 12. 28 को 2 से divide करेंगे. 14, 14 3s are -42. 28 को 4 से divide करेंगे 7, 7 3s are 20. So you will write the answer -42/28, then -21/22, then -12/28. And the answer of this is -3/2, then -3/4, then -3/7. What's the difference between these two? But actually negative sign will change the order. Negative sign will change the order. अगर आपके पास सिर्फ पॉजिटिव टर्म्स होती तो जो सबसे बड़ा न्यूमिनेटर है जिसका डिनोमिनेटर है दैट विल बी द स्मॉलेस्ट. लेकिन यहाँ साइन आ गया नेगेटिव, देन एवरीथिंग विल गेट रिवर्स्ड. तो ये आपके पास आ गया आंसर -3/2, then -3/4, then -3/7. So be careful about this thing. I have written the answer. Is it okay? Do you have any doubt? That's the answer. It's correct. Now let's start with the question number 1 of the same exercise. That is very, very, very important. And the same type of question you will see in the 9th class, 8th class, 9th and 10th. The same question you will get there also. Question number 1 of this exercise. You have to write 3 rational numbers between -1 and 0. Did you know this thing? That if 0 is there, -1 is there, we don't have any number between these two. But there lies infinite many rational number between two numbers. There lies infinite many rational number between any two numbers. So there are infinite number between these two. So you have to find 3 of these. There are infinite many. बच्चे जो अभी प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन किया था उसमें जो पहले वाला आंसर लिखा था वो कट कर देना, पूरी डिटेल के साथ आपने सॉल्व करना सेकेंड मेथड के साथ. ठीक है. देयर आर इनफाइनाइट मैनी रैशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन 0 and -1. What you will do is, firstly you will make them a rational number. Actually आपने इन दोनों के बीच में रैशनल नंबर लिखने हैं, So firstly, write these two numbers as rational numbers. Now the first step is to make their denominator same, which is already same. ठीक है, अब आप इसको क्या करोगे, इसको किसी भी बड़े नंबर 10 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, 10, 20, 30, 5 किसी के साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, बट आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विद 10, minus 10 by 10. This is 0 by 10. Now write three numbers, three rational number between these. 0 and minus 10 के बीच में क्या आएगा? Rational numbers are minus 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 4 by 10. So these are the four rational numbers that I have written. If you want to write more, you can reduce them, you can increase them. You can write any number of terms. There are infinite numbers. So between these two, we are getting 9 numbers. So if you want to write more, you can multiply it with the greater number. अगर आपको 3 चाहिए तो 3 से बड़े नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, आपको 10 चाहिए तो 10 से बड़ा मतलब 20, 30, 40 किसी से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ठीक है. Now let's see one more part. Minus 2 and minus 1. Firstly, write them in the rational number form. Make their denominator same, which is already same. Now multiply it with 10 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Minus 20 by 10, minus 10 by 10. So the rational number between these two are rational numbers are minus 11 by 10, minus 12 by 10, minus 13 by 10. So I have written three rational number between these two. So if you want to write more, you can write further. Okay. So there are infinite many rational number between minus 2 and minus 1. So I have written only 3. Now let's see one more part. Third part, minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. इनके बीच में आपने 3 rational number लिखने. There are infinite rational number between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Now, one more step will be there. You have to make their denominator same. In the previous case, it was already same, but here you will take their LCM to make their denominator same. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 4s are minus 12. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 2s are 10. तो अब आपने minus 12 by 15 और minus 10 by 15 के बीच में you have to write 3 rational numbers. So you will multiply both with 10. You have to multiply both with 10. Multiply them and write rational number between these two. So this will be your minus 120 by 150, 100 by 150. So rational numbers are minus 100 और minus 120 के बीच में क्या आ रहा है? Minus 101, minus 102, minus 103 by 150 and so on. बहुत सारे number आ रहे हैं. But I have written 3. Okay. So the homework of this question is, I'm writing homework here, exercise 9.2. Question number 1, B part. Question 9, second and fourth part. Question 10, B part. Okay, so this is your homework that you will do in the fear notebook.